Here at Lectric e-bikes, we are all about experience, which is why over 250,000 riders have joined us since our launch 3 years ago.
Making fun and affordable e-bikes available to the masses has always been our goal, and we just bumped the utility up a notch.
Introducing the Lectric XP 3.0. As the industry's first folding e-bike designed for 2 people, the XP 3.0 includes our strengthened rear rack and our next-gen 1,000 watt peak motor. Paired with an upgraded freewheel, this new design will let you feel the power behind your pedaling at any speed.
And to provide extra confidence for your longer rides, we've included a brand new passenger mode, as well as full compatibility with our 14 amp hour long-range battery.
A sturdy and capable new setup means you can carry your precious cargo wherever you go.
It's compatible with all of the fan-favorite accessories, including our wag-along pet trailer, cargo basket, comfort package, and more. Since the XP 3.0 can accommodate heftier delivery loads, we're also launching brand new food delivery boxes. And for those late-night deliveries, we've also engineered a brand new Elite headlight, brighter than ever before.
We know that comfort is key when it comes to riding electric, which is why we've also improved the braking power to 180 millimeter disc brakes and increased front suspension to 50 millimeters. The XP 3.0 accommodates a wide range of abilities and preferences with a classic XP frame option, as well as our popular step-through frame. Each e-bike will come standard with pre-installed slime to keep your tires in tip-top shape while on the go.
Have a problem? Each XP 3.0 includes a 1-year warranty, backed by a full US customer service base. Our team's relentless commitment to putting our customers first is what has led us to this epic upgrade, and we can't wait to see what our riders do with these.
Learn more at lectricebikes.com and come ride with us.
Today, I'm excited to show you our latest e-bike, the 5th generation of our electric folding fat bike, the RadExpand 5. We listened to the 400,000 plus riders in the Rad community to develop a folding bike that's lighter, it's more refined, and it's more accessible, all at our lowest price point. Hundreds of Rad employees came together to set a higher standard for quality, comfort, utility, and of course, power. With a bike this innovative, we thought it was only fitting to give it an all-new name. So, meet the RadExpand 5, the ultimate folding electric fat bike designed to expand your possibilities. Now I'm excited to introduce you to Lori from our product development team. She's going to show you the details of this rad new bike. Take it away, Lori.
Thanks, Mike. Hey there, I'm Lori with Rad Power Bikes. Whether you're storing it in a small apartment or loading it up on an RV, the RadExpand folds to save space. And to make it even more portable, we reduce the weight by nearly 5 pounds. For best-in-class comfort, fit, and handling, we improve the frame geometry. The handlebars move forward and back and equip the bike with even larger rugged fat tires, upgraded saddle, and aluminum low-step frame. The RadExpand comes complete with a high-quality rear rack, rugged front rack mounting points, ready for a lineup of racks, baskets, and bags. Enjoy a 7-speed drivetrain, twist grip throttle, 4 levels of pedal assist, and a 750-watt continuous power motor designed in-house by our team of engineers. Rest assured, you'll be riding with the industry leader in quality and innovation. See you on the trail.
Hi, I'm Alex, and I'm here to talk about the new Blix Aveny. The Aveny combines a timeless design with practical utility features and is a great choice for commuting or leisure riding. The newest Aveny model now has cushier tires for more comfortable rides and special fresh new color options. The unisex frame design draws inspiration from classic European bikes and provides a very user-friendly rider experience. Ideal for morning commutes, afternoon grocery runs, and weekend adventures. Due to its low frame and upright seating position, it fits a wide range of riders from 5 foot to 6'3" and has a weight capacity of up to 270 pounds. It is easy to get up to 20 miles an hour with the 500-watt geared hub motor. The motor is located in the rear wheel and is engaged when you're pedaling or using the throttle. The 48-volt lithium-ion battery provides a range of up to 45 miles per charge and only weighs about 7 pounds. The battery is located under the seat for a low center of gravity that allows for stable and safe riding. It is easily locked to the frame with a key, so you can safely park your Aveny with the battery installed. If you want to bring the battery with you, simply remove it by unlocking it and lifting it off the bike. You can charge the battery on or off the bike by plugging the charger into a regular outlet and charging port on the battery. The battery takes about 4 to 5 hours to charge from empty to full. The display shows different riding information such as battery level, speed, and assist level. It also has other useful features like a trip meter, odometer, as well as current, maximum, and average speeds. The display also offers a USB port built in for you to charge your phone, speaker, or anything else. Use the button pad and display to control the front and rear LED lights, power levels, and walk mode feature. Choose between 5 levels of pedal assist anytime during your ride to adjust the motor power you want, or use level 0 and ride it like a regular bike. You can also use the throttle at any time to take you up to 20 miles an hour without even pedaling. It can be activated in any pedal assist mode and is specifically handy for all those annoying stops along the way. The Aveny offers a conventional gearing system like a regular bike, which you can adjust for how fast you want to go or help you climb up a hill. It has 7 speeds to choose from that you can easily change with the grip shifter on the right-hand side. The Aveny is designed with important safety features that allow for safe riding and comes with powerful disc brakes that automatically cut power whenever you brake. The front and rear LED lights are integrated into the frame and powered by the battery on the bike. The rear light is also a dedicated brake light that will illuminate as soon as you brake. The wide tires provide cushion against uneven roads and include colored sidewalls. The Aveny comes fully equipped with solid aluminum fenders, a rear rack, and an integrated bell. The unique Blix modular rack system lets you customize your Aveny according to your lifestyle and needs. The smart mounting points in the front and rear accommodate a line of Blix bags, baskets, and other cargo accessories that let you bring anything you need to. You can also mount a child seat in the rear and still have space for less valuable cargo up front. Experience a unique combination of timeless, elegant design and practical utility features with the Blix Aveny.
Innovatively designed. Comfort and efficiency. This is Riding Reimagined. Meet the next iteration of the level, Aventon's award-winning commuter e-bike, now equipped with our latest technology. The level features purposely placed controls that put the power at your fingertips with throttle and pedal assist. Upgraded with our full color display, which allows you to configure your ride and track your routes with the Aventon app. With safety at the forefront, we've thoughtfully integrated 4 lights for optimal visibility, so you can ride at any time with peace of mind. But that's not the only thing that makes the level unique. A first in Aventon's lineup, we're introducing torque sensor technology that recognizes your pedal power and amplifies your efforts. With up to a 60-mile range and a top speed of 28 miles per hour, you can go twice the distance in a fraction of time, revolutionizing how you ride. Multiple sizes, colors, and frame options ensures that there's a ride fit for everyone. Your ride, your way. Introducing the all-new Level 2 from Aventon.
From the World Guinness Record holder Delfast, bestseller Delfast Top 3.0 electric bike. Up to 200 miles on a single charge. Maximum speed up to 50 miles per hour. Carbon drive with 1 gear does not rust. It is not afraid of dirt and water. QS V2 motor with IPX5 protection withstands 6,000 watts in peak and is about 2 times more powerful than an average motorcycle. Front light includes the option to switch to high and low beam. Double hydraulic brake disc hit up to 90% less than conventional brake, which gives you additional safety and comfort. 72-volt 62A controller regimes: PAS or throttle regime, Eco, City, Unlimited regime, and recuperation. Delfast Top 3.0 electric bike is filled with a wide range of technologies: Bluetooth, keychain, start-stop button, remote launch, alarm, motor blocking, and GPS tracker.